Las Vegas 2010. Kicking each other in the ass. Pick this back up in a minute.
What are you doing? Selling tickets over there?
Oh no, we were just chilling, man.
We were just standing there taking a piss.
Oh god.
Where you from?
West Virginia, 30 hours away.
We're racing motocross here this weekend at Sam Boyd Stadium.
Sam Boyd
doing what?
Motocross.
You do?
They do.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just their team drunk.
No, he's too fat.
He called you fat.
The skinny one. No, I'm kidding. I'm teasing you.
Oh boy.
No, you right? You pro?
Yeah.
Pro?
Oh yeah. Both of us, yeah. Yep. We're just alcoholics, that's why we're big.
Darth, is he here tonight?
Yeah.
Darth Brooks is here.
You like it?
I love Darth.
He's the fucking man.
He's the man.
You like country music?
I love country music.
You dance country music?
Oh, I can play a mean fiddle.
Oh.
I don't know about the country.
Is it more girls or more guys?
Oh, I can square dance. I can. Buddy? Nah.
Oh, I got money.
No.
You don't?
Let's pick them up.
Hispanic? You like Hispanic?
Yell something out. Tell them something in Spanish. Tell them something good.
Yeah, Lupita.
What is that?
Lupita, her name.
Aw.
Lupita. When is the race?
Saturday night and Sunday morning.
Saturday night,
Yeah.
You bring the motorcycle from over there?
Yeah, we drove trailer 30 hours from West Virginia.
30 hours. How many motorcycles?
We brought
Six.
six of them.
6?
Yeah.
It's a fleet of
4 of us.
About 4 guys, 6 bikes.
Texas.
you do the show different places, right?
Yep.
Yeah, we've been to Atlanta, Jacksonville, Indianapolis.
What about different countries?
No, I never raced in another country.
Canada, Mexico.
Not really.
Not yet.
Not yet.
No, I brought my fiddle with me though.
It's a ball in McDonald's.
My fiddle.
Oh.
Fiddle.
Oh.
Mean fiddle.
You gamble?
What?
A little bit.
money to pay.
I won $9 earlier.
Do what?
I won $9 earlier.
You owe him
Keep in
7.
your pocket. Oh, buy some beers.
How much?
Exactly.
$6.90 right now.
Oh. This place is funky.
First time there?
Oh, yeah.
First time there?
Yeah, we got this morning.
We're fucking wild country boys.
Wild country boys.
Hank Williams' mom. Both.
The above.
Mostly white.
No Asians, really.
Few Asians.
Few Asians.
But they're not as good looking down here. There's a couple of them, but they're not as good down here.
More white?
Yeah.
More white. It's like about 66% white. Half of them don't have any teeth in relation to the brother though.
They're inbred.
You live in a big city or you live in a
We live between two big cities. Pretty nice.
Countryside.
Yeah.
Y'all smoking here? Yeah, no problem, man. Pot? You don't smoke pot? No,
You smoke pot?
No. I heard you say pot.
No, we were looking for some
We're
pot.
looking for some smoke.
Some good old. I know you know where it's at down
No,
here.
you're Christian. You don't smoke. You don't smoke pot. You're Christian, right? Christian?
No, Catholic. We involve ourselves in drugs.
Are you being yelled?
Oh, you're the best taxi cab driver ever.
Okay. You're the best passenger I ever.
That's the best you've had all night, ain't it?
So the trailer is in the Sunboy Stadium?
Yeah.
Already?
Yeah.
Where you stay? You stay in the MGM?
Yeah.
Who's keeping an eye on the trailer? Okay.
Nobody.
Nobody?
We have a trailer lock. Yeah.
How old are you?
21.
Oh, one more year. Next year. Yep. You're ready for it.
Stealing money. Word.
Don't steal it from us, buddy.
No long ways. It's straight down the boulevard.
Yeah. What's his longest taxi cab? The longest one. Longest trip.
I don't know means. My English is not good.
Oh, I mean it's good enough.
You know pot and smoke, and it's good enough.
Some words I don't understand.
Some words.
They say lower
What?
what? The lowest what? Lowest right? You say something?
Lowest. I mean the farthest place you've gone.
Oh, the farthest far out. Okay, Chicken Ranch. It's
60 miles.
60
How much
miles.
did you make on that?
It's 250, right?
Yeah.
250.
Wow. That's a good trip.
I'd love to be a taxi driver.
Come to Vega. They hiding.
One love.